Amazon deals. Welcome to another Femitech video tutorial. For this video I will be showing you 3 fans that are going for low prices on Amazon now. 1. The Dreo Tower Fan. This fan give off some ice cooling air in a 90-degree direction. You can set the timer for up to 12 hours. Its blades are 40 inches in length. This is a must-buy for your bedroom. 2. The Zuvas Desk Fan. This fan is battery operated and is reachable. It can also operated via the USB port with a 5V adapter. It is ideal for office workers who do not have AC conditioner. The fan is extremely silent, hence you need not to worry about noise on your desk. 3. The Gaitir Neck Fan. This fan give you the ability to stay cool when moving about. It is extremely low on noise. You can get up to 18 hours of cooling from this fan. The cool air comes out in a 360 degrees pattern. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and share the video. Click the link to learn more.